Hello guys, how are you? Today we're going to check another topic from grammar that is present perfect but using for and since. Remember that in the first trimester we checked present perfect. If you have any doubt, you can check in your notes and then ask me. So remember that present perfect is used to talk about an action that began in the past and continues up to the present moment. Since is used when the action began. We have here examples of this. We can use since with my party, the class, that last time. Here we have the since. We are going to use it in dates. When something starts, for example, in 2013 and then continues on 2019. We have here We have been coming here since 2013. And then we have for. For is for a specific period of time, for example, 5 years, 1 day, 1 hour. We have here the quantity of time, for. We have that in 2013, we have been coming here for 5 years. We have to count the years from 2013 to 2018. Example: I've known her for 3 years. Here we have to use for because we are talking about a period of time that are 3 years. Then we have she's been a student at this school since 2020. That date is the day that she is in that school. Then we are going to practice. You have to choose for or since depending on this. We have here 1 week. What do you think we are going to use? 1 week is a period of time or when the action starts and continue. What do you think is the answer? For 1 week or since 1 week? Correct is for 1 week. Then we have Sunday. For Sunday or since Sunday? What do you think is the answer? Great! Since Sunday. Excellent, guys. Now we have 5 days. For 5 days or since 5 days? What do you think is the answer? Correct! Then we have 15 minutes. For 15 minutes or since 15 minutes? Great, guys. That is the answer. Excellent. And then we have the last one. Her birthday. What do you think is the answer? For her birthday or since her birthday? Remember that birthday here is an action. So what do you think is the act? Great! Since her birthday. Excellent, guys. I'm proud of you. Remember to write the full dates and make the letter readable. Remember, capital letters and punctuation with red color. We need to have order and cleanliness in our activities. Guys, repeat the video as many times as necessary for better understanding. If you have any question, any doubt, please ask me. Thank you for your attention. See you.